What's happening, YouTube fam? It's your boy Drizzle. Boy Drizzle. Boy Drizzle. It's your boy Drizzle. Y'all go ahead and like, BLUECRAB, share, comment, and subscribe. If you've been before, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my channel, y'all. Y'all see what we got popping tonight, girl. Let's get it to these prayers. Let's go. Christ, Heavenly Father, I want to thank you for this food I'm about to receive. May it be noise to my mind, body, and soul. In Christ Jesus' name, yes, I do pray. Amen. Bruh. Yes, honey. Got my lemons and shit. Girl, let me do this real quick. Let me try something. Boom! Y'all like that? Yes, honey, let's get it, girl. Oh, I'm so ready for this. I haven't eaten today. And I'm starving. Of course, y'all see I got my lemon. Yeah. I'm sorry, I didn't even tell y'all what I got. All together. I got some king crab, blue crab. That's it. I also got some corn, potatoes, sausage, and some crawfish. This is the Shirley Temple. First time I ever tried it. The bomb. Delish. Man. That Mr. and Mrs. Crab seasoning, man. So good. I was gonna do some Dungeness crab, but I was like, no, I have to get it. Bitch, go big, bitch. Cause you deserve it. As hard as I work. But I ain't got no butter sauce. I don't even need that. Not with him. Damn. I swear these king crabs be dangerous as fuck. Thank you, Concat. Y'all know my little cousin. They be in my videos with me. She turned me on to this Mr. and Mrs. Crab seasoning. Thick, not that extra buttery shit. Mr. Crab, I don't need you to get your ass out of. Mr. Crab, I don't need you to get your ass out of here now. I'm trying not to chomp on that hard ass damn shell. And y'all, can somebody tell me what this is? I got this from a restaurant that I had went out to eat. And I had, you know, took a to-go box. But I asked them to grab up their damn utensil, whatever the fuck this is. I don't know what it is. But I figured I'd use it. I found it in my drawer. wanted it whole. Girl! And the shell hard as fuck. Y'all gotta excuse me for eating like a damn savage right now, girl. This finger food I haven't eaten all day. This is a mukbang. So it's going down. But anyway, what y'all been up to? Child, me, same old working. And y'all know how much I love MR&MRSCRAB now. I really do. Besides looking at my own shit, MR&MRSCRAB is a complete go-to. Hell, I work hard. And bitch, I'm gonna eat some hard-ass motherfucking crabs too, bitch. Hell. You gotta do shit for yourself sometimes. Especially as hard as I damn work, bitch. That's sweet. Cause I still ain't got no tax check or no stimulus check. But what the hell y'all doing over there, bitch? Cause I'm not JP Morgan. What's that man name? Talking about I need my cash now. It's mine. I need my cash now. That's me right now, bitch. It's mine and I need it now. BLUECRAB. Nah, I'm not really big on BLUECRAB, but they had a sale, so I said, why not, bitch? Shit, I should be doing an ASMR video. Oh, this damn smacking is and sucking and crunching and shit. But y'all, I did get this, you know, the spice level hot, so y'all gotta excuse me if I'm sweating and shit, bitch, cause yes, honey. And also, y'all, I want to say, CJD's Chambers, aka Judge Drizzle, will be back in full effect next week, bitch. With all this fuck ass shit these people still out here doing, I'm gonna toss their ass off the highest cliff, bitch. Have motherfucking heads rolling down mountains. Girl, that is a mess out here, ain't them? I'm trying to get all this meat, baby. I ain't gonna lie, MR&MRSCRAB is a little pricey, but bitch. I'm pricey too, man. Yes. But I had to get me some more wigs and stuff. Cause them wigs I had before was discombobulated, girl. And I was not gonna bring that back to the channel. Come on. Damn, this shit good, bro. And I know MR&MRSCRAB has been on my videos, or should I say my channel, a few times. So what? Hell, it might be the same food, but trust and believe it won't be the same topics and shit. Believe that, it's squeeze me. Y'all know I live near a main road now. feel. Girl, Mom, what you said, suck the head, girl. Oh, that's a good head. Nah, bitch, don't judge me. Don't come for me to myself, bitch. You eating messy, bitch. This is the mukbang, okay? A eating show. If you don't like it, bitch, you ain't gotta watch it. Cause everybody else is watching, bitch. Yeah. Whew. Child. Bitch. But this food is so good. It really is. Yes, honey. And y'all definitely will be seeing another Mr. and Mrs. Crab video in the future, baby. You know that. Let me dig into this blue crab. That seasoning, bro. Now also, y'all, I just want to say real quick, in my last video that I dedicated to my friend Jasmine, you know, one of our other closest friends thought I came out kind of harsh, which I can't see her saying that or whatever, but you know I don't mean no fucking harm. Y'all know how we all talk and get along with each other. And I think if I remember correctly, I knew Jasmine before anybody. So that connection I had with her, that was ours. But like I said, I didn't mean to come off across like that or whatever. And Jasmine knows, and still knows that I don't never meant no harm to her. That was my friend too now. Y'all know how we talk. So it is what it is. Case closed next page. Cause y'all know I love everybody. Everybody love me. If you don't know that, ask them. Yes. Excuse me. I should have said ask the queen. I was gonna say these blue crab got a little meat on them, girl. Oh, girl, this is messy as fuck. But it's so fucking good. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna keep my you know, my videos coming. Like I said, I want to keep posting at least once a week. And I gotta start writing my scripts again. And all that shit takes a lot of time. So bear with me, y'all. Damn. Don't them China people be putting the rice in there or something like that? Almost like a stuffed crab. Girl, this inside shit is good. Okay, now. Ooh, girl. Nose is running. I can't stand that loud ass noise the motherfucking damn cars and pipes and shit be making. Bitch, turn that shit off. You know. Can't even hear yourself think sometimes. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, that Mr. and Mrs. Crab seasoning ain't nothing to play with. Shit hot, bro. Y'all getting y'all some eating sounds today, huh? Y'all, this ain't even all the seafood either. I still got a bag full of shit over there. Yes, honey. I just ain't good enough. I just ain't good enough. Hey, girl. And girl, Shirley Temple, you is the shit, girl. Woo! Y'all, that was a fabulous meal. But I'm finna get cleaned up, girl. I need to do a few things before, you know, the day's over with. I just want to come back real quick, have a good meal with you guys. I hope y'all had y'all little seafood boil going as well. That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to eat with me. Hilarious hashtag Mukbang. Anyway, oh gosh, it's hot in here. But anyways, I don't want to keep y'all too much longer. I hope y'all are being safe out there. Y'all stay tuned for future videos, y'all. Excuse me. Like I said, CJD's Chambers will be back in full effect next week. But y'all, it's hot in motherfucking here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video. I love you guys. Till next time, like I always say, in the meantime, y'all behave, stay prayed up, and you like nobody's watching.